Alright YouTube, we've got a bit of a bad day with regards to weather. We're snowing, we're cold, and yeah, but this is what we've got to look forward to today. So here we are guys, we've got some delivery going on here. We've got some more larch getting dropped off. So we've got 5 ton of larch on there, and the rest is firewood. There it is. The Stihl mini electric chainsaw, 4-inch portable cordless electric chainsaw. This so yeah, I hope you're excited for that. Got an exciting giveaway again. Stihl have reached out to us. That's going to be awesome for another viewer, and we're going to leave it run a little bit longer this time for sorry guys, my GoPro is absolutely freezing here. It's refusing to work, so I might have to put it in my pocket. But yeah, we're going to have a giveaway from Stihl again. Really appreciate them reaching out to us and giving another giveaway for all you viewers, and a review from me. We've got all that firewood that's just coming down, and yeah, it's just going to be manic. We've got some and then the cutting up as well to do. So yeah, that little MS181 is a nice little saw. It's running real nice. So that's it. So currently we're waiting on the wagon and drag coming. He's about 5 minutes out. I'm just looking up the road waiting for him to come. So as soon as he gets here, you guys, here he is anyway, we're going to start walking down the corner. So stay tuned guys, and yeah, see what we've got coming. So here we are guys, we've got some delivery going on here. We've got some more larch getting dropped off. We've got 5 ton of larch on the back of this wagon and drag here. I'll try and pan you round. Look at this, some outfit. Look at that. So we've got 5 ton of larch on there, and the rest is firewood. And yeah, happy days. We're gonna get caught up here. Very. Look at how much snow's. It's starting to come down now, guys. So what's this all about? It is winter after all. But yeah, we've got he's a nice fella who works from Northumberland. He's very used to all the what do you call it, woodland scenes and everything, but he works primarily with Dave, who I've dealt with here to get these in here. So fantastic. Nice bits of larch them. Some big bits coming off here there. Look, that's got a big butt on it. It's got a big butt. I'm happy to get some more product back on ground now. So yeah, that's all the larch off. So what he's just done there is just reset his scales, I think, because I want these bits coming off in. We've got 6.5 ton loads to come off now. So I've got my spray paint here. Nice scuba blue Suzuki Plus red, made in 2017. So yeah. So yeah, he's just going to he's setting these down now, and he's going to tell me how much, when and when. So doesn't really help that it's got snow on it now. Not sure what it is, to be honest. Don't get there, get back and go. I'm assuming these are still all part of the same loading. I'm guessing there's 4 bays there, there's 20 tons, so yeah, there'll be 5 ton apiece on each one. These lads know what they're doing. That'll be 6.5 there, something thereabouts. He's a bit steamed up in that cab up there. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Oh wait! Oh wait! Wait! My time after this. Get right, so that's all S done. Yep. Right, we'll get you set up on a tripod and get you out the way. I tell you, this weather, man, is absolutely freaky, man. You know, 1 minute it's snowing heaven's high, and then next we've kind of got like blue skies and sun somewhere. Absolutely bizarre. Anyway, the snow has now drifted its way and it's going that way. Everything's all dropped off now, all marked up, all weighed, and yeah, happy days. So that's that job done. Thanks very much, Peter, who dropped that off there. Good driver, good operator. Happy days. I like people who know what they're doing. I think people who do that type of job, they know what they're doing. There's no ifs or buts about it. They know what they're doing. Right, so what we're doing the rest of the day? Well, we've got this pile to go through. It's all covered with snow now, so I might go get my brush again and brush some surfaces off. I was splitting the other day. I've got a bag full there, bulk bag over there full. So I want to get all this cut up to size and get the splitter out this week. That is the plan. But yeah, previously, oops, sorry, I was out of shot there. But previously, I did say that I had another thing sent to me for review and use, and yeah, Shaker have reached out again from the grease coupler, and I've said, do you want a review? Do you want to go at the mini electric chainsaw? So I was like, yeah, go on then. You know, we use chainsaws quite a lot, don't we? So, sorry guys, I'm trying to get everything out and I'm not very professional. So yeah, I said, yeah, go on then, send it away. 2 days later, boom, right at my door. No messing, guys, no messing. Really fast delivery, so well done, Shaker, for wherever it's coming from. And this is one of them. They sent me two. The theme of this is going to be two. They sent me two. I'm in the sawmill shed here, so I hope you can all see me, but I think you will. And yeah, what have we got? So there it is, the Stihl mini electric chainsaw, 4-inch portable cordless electric chainsaw. This, tell you, I've already opened it because I needed to charge the batteries up. Yes, you heard me right. It comes with 2 batteries, guys. Not 1, but 2. They didn't send me 1 of these, they sent me 2 of these. Why did they send me 2? Because I'm going to give 1 away to one of you lucky viewers. So, yeah, keep listening out. We'll explain what's needed, and hopefully you guys might win one of these. A Stihl mini electric chainsaw. I should really do a separate video. I think I might. Anyway, quickly we'll go through it before we get on with the cutting. So there it is, Stihl. Nice box and all, nice storage box. I like that. Look at that, 2 batteries. 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. Now, problem is they don't have a battery gauge on them, so you don't know how far you are with charging or whatever. They took about 1 hour and 20 minutes to charge, but it didn't matter. I wasn't using them at the time. I was just putting them on whilst we were in the kitchen, whatnot. So you get a little oil bottle. This one doesn't have a reservoir for it, so you get an oil bottle, a little wrench to like a little to open the bar, and then a screwdriver to tension it. The saw itself, there. The saw itself. Look at that little thing. It's class. What a little digit that is. So yeah, a little 4-inch. I think that, you know, that's not accounting though. I don't think. I think that's 4-inch total. I don't think that's 4-inch in there, but anyway, feels right, nice in hand. You know, it fits lovely. So let's just put a battery in. I'm doing this all one-handed again, aren't I, guys? I thought we were a bit more professional than this. Anyway, let's try and slot that in. So for any of you guys who are wondering, can you do this one-handed? You can. So, well, it's only got, a lot of people have been saying it's only got one safety button finger there, so for yours it's not very ambidextrous, but it works. So I'll press it in with my thumb. There you go. It's got a little bit of noise, but it's alright guys, don't panic. What have we got to cut quickly? Yeah, this here. I've got this bit of scrap here that's no good to anyone, so we'll go at that. You ready? It's class. Hey, that's going to be alright, is that? Let's just do one more cut. Let's give it a bit. Go about there. I like it. Or a cool little tool. The Stihl mini electric chainsaw. Now I don't know how much battery life this little thing has got on it, and how many cuts it'll get, but it's you know, its main use is for like pruning small stuff. Look at this, the sun's out. It's absolutely blazing out here. Absolutely blazing. You just can't work it out, can you? But no, it's meant for like pruning little branches. I've got some trees to actually prune on the back side of the woodshed, so that'll be good. I make kindling out of my boards that I've got no use anymore, so I can cut them up instead of using the main chainsaw, the rip saw. So see how it goes. But it does need a little bit of an oiling now and again, like so. Not got a reservoir. Some I've seen have got like a little resi, and you just pump it now and again just to put oil onto the bar. But no, that's good. But it comes with 2 batteries as well, guys. 2 batteries. So whatever you're doing, you're gonna have plenty to go at till you need to charge up again. I think that's awesome. So Stihl, thanks very much for sending me that. I'm going to do a further video with this But I just wanted to show you guys what's happening. So get ready for the future video of that, for the giveaway. I'm giving one away. Full pack, 2 batteries, chainsaw, the lot. It hasn't even been opened. It's still in the film, still in the packaging. So I will send that again to somewhere in the world at my expense for you guys. I'm doing a lot for you. So Dave from Tree Change Farmer, if you haven't checked his channel, go see him out, go check him out. He won the grease gun coupler from Seika. It's Monday today as I'm doing this video, and once I've finished round here around about 4ish, I'm going to go get it posted off for him. It's going to take roughly 15-20 days to get to Dave over in Australia, but needless to say, it's money well spent for Dave, who took the time to comment on the video, and he won. Well done to the well, you know, thank you to everybody else as well who had commented on the video. I think there was 14 or 15 comments from you guys, so absolutely fantastically well done. Next time I might leave it run for about a week, maybe 10 days or something next time, just to try and get some traction with the video maybes. So yeah, but no, thank you Seika, well done Dave, and let's hope if you want it, you've got a comment, you know the score from last time. I'll go over it again though when it comes to it. Just comment on the video, like, and make sure you pass my channel around like wildfire. Right, needless to say, we're going to get on to the next job. So Seika mini electric chainsaw, check. Is it decent? Check. Are we going to give one away? Yes we are. Right guys, thanks very much. On to the next one. Right then, we're going to get this pile all locked up, and sun's starting to come out now. It's all right, but we're on the wrong side of the sawmill shed, so it's all in the shade. It's actually, some parts of it's actually icing over. So what am I doing? Yeah, I'm going to cut all this up, and then another day I'm going to bring the splitter out and get it all split up. We're going to be tormenting the little 181 that I bought. Here it is. Just fueled it, just put oil in it and everything. She's all right. I used it for other day, but we're gonna torment her today with the rest of this work here, and should be all right. Like it was running absolutely brilliant the other day once it got warmed up. Ticks over fine, runs beautiful. So yeah, if I can get all this cut to length today, maybe, I don't know, we're running out of time now. I've just had a couple of boys there come and have a chat with me, like, so we're on 1:15. Yeah, I might do, we'll be all right. So we'll get that done today, and then we'll bring out the what is it? Jansen FS35 log splitter, kinetic log splitter. So this is going to be a long video, this, I think. I've got a lot of stuff going on. I've had wood delivery, Seika mini chainsaw, 181 doing this wood. Sorry guys, going to be a bit of a long. Anyway, right. Thanks for coming along again. We'll get cracking. Do the usual, couple of minutes of footage, and then we'll get you into a time lapse. You don't want to hear me blamming on with this, so let's have it. Let's have it, guys. Right, I've got my rubber gloves on. I normally like using them other ones, but everything's covered in snow and it's wet, so they're a bit cold, but we'll get there. We'll warm them up. Right, MS181. Still has a little bit of bark in there, doesn't it? Well folks, that's it, all cut, all cut. Tell you what, I'm liking that 181. There it all is. There it all is. Yeah, so that 181, I'm really liking that. It's a nice little saw. It's not too powerful, not too heavy. It'll thingamajiggy. It's doing all right. It's a little bit naughty when it's just started up. It's very balky. I'm not sure why that is. I might even get a new carb for it. I've said this before, but I think I might do. So yeah, that's it for the day now. It's just turning 3 o'clock now, I think. So I'm not going to bother doing anything else now today. It's all to split. It's all to bag up. I think what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be making a framework for the bulk bags, and so I can slide the bag on and have it suspended, so I can fill it that way. Because otherwise, you're just constantly battling with the bags, keeping them up, keeping them open. So yeah, so that's it. Thanks very much, guys, for watching. Keep watching, or stay tuned, or just keep an eye on the channel. Notify the bell, blah blah blah. I don't know how it works. You know how it works. I don't know. To say about the sake of mini chainsaw review and giveaway video. So once that hits live, you know, I'll explain, but it'll just be the general thing about commenting, liking, subscribing if you aren't already. Usual bants like. So, bye guys, thanks very much for watching. We'll see you all on the next video. Splitting, I think. Splitting. Cheers guys, bye for now.